Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your system. Back up your OS image and important files, and plug into a UPS or verify a full battery. Next, identify your motherboard model and current BIOS version so you get the exact firmware revision. Using the wrong file risks bricking. Once done, download the manufacturer's BIOS package and their recommended flashing tool, then copy files to a FAT32 USB stick. Make sure the USB is reliable. Corrupted media will halt the update. You'll now prepare the system and execute the flash. Reboot into BIOS setup and load defaults, then disable fast boot and secure boot if the vendor instructs. This prevents boot conflicts. Enable the motherboard's flash utility or USB boot option, insert the prepared USB, and select the BIOS image. Once you start the flashing tool, follow on-screen prompts slowly and confidently. Do not power down or reset. If progress appears slow, stay patient. Interrupts during write operations cause failure. After the flash, reboot into BIOS to confirm the new version and reapply any custom settings such as boot order or XMP memory profiles. Once the OS loads, verify drivers and run basic stability checks. Simple tasks, network checks, and a quick stress test will reveal issues. If the system won't boot or shows corruption, try the vendor's BIOS recovery procedure. Reflash via recovery USB, use the motherboard recovery jumper, or follow the emergency restore steps. If that fails,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.